Xyaum Yuav Olive Garden.
Welcome to the Olive Garden. I'm Crystal. I'll be taking care of you tonight. Can I start off with something to drink for everybody?
Pepsi.
Coke, okay?
Fanta. Fanta. All of the drinks.
We have Dr. Pepper, Coke, Sprite, Diet Coke, Coke Zero. We have raspberry lemonade, plain lemonade.
Do you guys have any milkshakes?
We don't. I'm sorry.
I'll
smoothie.
I'll just do Coke.
Coke.
Okay. Dahlia,
Strawberry lemonade.
Raspberry.
Oh yeah, raspberry.
how about you, Dahlia?
Dr. Pepper.
Okay.
Okay.
Apple juice?
Apple juice for you?
Tonight I would take hot tea.
Hot tea?
Yes.
With lemon?
Sure.
All right. I will be right back then, okay?
Thank you.
Do we need a couple minutes with the menu or are we ready to order?
I think we're ready.
Okay. Who'd like to start?
That one.
What would you like?
Chicken Alfredo.
The adult chicken Alfredo or kids? For kid or for adult?
Adult.
Do you want soup or salad with that?
Salad.
Salad? Are you okay with the grilled chicken or do you want crispy chicken?
Crispy.
Crispy? Okay. Who'd like to go next? What would you like?
Can I have pepperoni pizza with French fries?
First?
Can we get toasted ravioli and fried mozzarella? And for me, I would like the seafood Alfredo
Would you like soup or salad with that?
soup.
You know what kind you would like?
No.
So we have chicken gnocchi, which is a creamy chicken soup dumpling. Minestrone is a French vegetable soup. Passi fagioli is a white and red bean chili. Or zuppa toscana is a potato soup with spicy sausage and ham.
I'll do the first one.
Chicken gnocchi? Sounds good.
Chicken Alfredo with broccoli.
And are you okay with the grilled chicken or did you want crispy?
Crispy.
Soup or salad for you?
Soup. I'll take the first one.
Same like her, but I don't need the broccoli. Soup.
Do you know which one?
The first one.
Herb grilled salmon.
And soup or salad for you?
Salad.
Salad? Alright. Is there anything else I can grab right away? Would you like the appetizers before I bring over the soup?
Yeah, appetizer coming first.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Herb salmon grill. Chicken Alfredo.
Wait, let me do something.
Okay, sure. What do you want to do? Pizza. French fries.
As that and some ketchup. No.
Yeah.
Wait, did he get to leave?